Hi guys, welcome to Stylish Women Selection. Welcome to another video. I hope you will be fine. Today I will discuss a beautiful leather longboards ideas. I hope you will find a beautiful idea from this video. We will start about this leather longboards. Leather longboards have been a staple in fashion for centuries, combining from function and a sense of enduring style. From practical wear in the 19th century to the modern presence of high fashion runways, these boots have evolved to meet the needs of both fashion forward individuals and those seeking everyday practically. Let's explore the appeal of leather long boots, their history, and why they remain an essential wardrobe piece. Leather long boots date back to ancient times, whether they were worn by horse riders, soldiers, and explorers. Over the centuries, their designs adapted to fit specific needs, tailored sharp for protection during horseback riding, thicker soles for walking long distances, and structured silhouettes for military use. By the 19th century, leather long boots became a symbol of authority and class, often worn by aristocrats and their military elite. In the 20th century, long leather boots transcended their practical roots and began to evolve into the fashion statement. Designers like Satin Laurent and Vivienne Westwood turned boots into the high fashion icons, whether ever paired with structured suits or free-spirited bohemian ensembles. Leather boots found a permanent place in the world of style. One of the reasons leather long boots are so converted is the craftsmanship involved in their creation. High quality leather sourced from the coed or other animal hides is valued for its durability, softness, and ability to conform to the wearer's foot over time. These twigs make leather boots are not only comfort but also long-lasting. Leather boots often features intricate stitching, polished finishes, and carefully constructed soles, making them stand out from synthetic counterparts. Handcrafted leather boots, in particular, can be considered work of art. These leathers can be a today leather boots come in their various variety of styles, riding boots, knee-high boots, thigh-highs, and the more. Versatility is their one of their greatest appeal. They can be dressed up or down, paired with everything from dress and skirts to jeans or trousers. They can be a very comfortable and useless aesthetics. Classic timeless riding boots typically come in shades of brown or black with a smooth leather finish. These boots are a favorite pairing with slim